मौजूदा परिस्थिति के बारे में आप दोनों क्या कहना चाहेंगे? क्या एक वुमेन सेफ है, फील करती है इंडिया में? आपको क्या लगता है?
फ्रॉम जो हमने रास्ते में पाया है, जिन आंसर्स से, उनसे मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगी कि नहीं, अभी वो सेफ़ नहीं है। अभी भी हम देखते हैं लड़कियों को बस में चढ़ते हुए फिर उतरते हुए, क्योंकि एक महिला भी नहीं अगर बैठी हो तो वो उस बस में नहीं आएगी अंदर। हमें और औरतें चाहिए रोड पर. We have to get women on, come and participate. And I'm sure that if this message goes out, that more women should come in support, it will happen.
और रही मेरी बात okay, last I'll just finish that question. Okay, I'll just finish what I was saying, and it's important to understand that छोटे शहरों में तो अनसेफ बिल्कुल ही है, बिल्कुल ही, बिकॉज उनके बारे में हर रोज़ खबर आप लोगों तक नहीं पहुंचती है. बट आई एम अ वुमन and I've been in the public eye for 25 years. So many times people think कि आपको क्या मालूम औरतों के साथ क्या होता है हमारे देश में, आपके साथ तो बॉडीगार्ड्स घूमते हैं, आपके साथ you've got all these other facilities to protect you. Let me tell you that where you are eve-teased by two people, we as women in the public eye, even with 10 bodyguards, are dealing with hundreds of men that have often managed to misbehave with us. And we know exactly how it happens in this country, trust me, in volumes. But fark itna hai that at this age, the last time that happened was 6 months ago. I was at an award function, you guys were there as well. 15-year-old boy, 15. And because itne sare aadmi the, उसे लगा मुझे पता नहीं चलेगा कौन था. But this is why I tell you guys, learn something of self-defense. It makes you very alert. So I grabbed his hand. And I was so shocked when I pulled him up that he was a little boy. He was 15 years old. Typically, for a misbehavior like that, I could have taken lots of other actions. But because it was a 15-year-old boy, I grabbed him by his neck as if I was saying hello to him. I took him for a walk. सारे भीड़ में आप लोग भी खड़े थे वहाँ पर. मैं उसको से पकड़ के लेके गई और रास्ते में बोला that if I make a hue and cry about this right now, your life will be over, बच्चा. I didn't do. I said नहीं बेटा, करा तो आपने. अब ईमानदारी से पहले acknowledge करो कि किया. I'm sorry. Okay. आपको पता है आपकी ज़िंदगी ख़राब हो जाएगी. If we done, I promise it will never happen. No, if it does, I've seen your face. Now get out of here. That's the difference. I recognize in a 15-year-old boy that he's not been taught that this kind of is not an entertainment. It's a very big mistake. It can cost you the rest of your life. But to grown men who are in our country indulging in worse and gang rapes, they should be hanged without a doubt. There should be no understanding or mercy for it. And start hanging them, you'll understand what a consequence is. Loud and clear, whether you're in a city or in a village. This I strongly believe. And then we'll think of mercy and a better place to live in.
Thank you.
Thank you.